morning, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oshin. Welcome to #Oshin Vlog TV, one of the most informative YouTube channel on the rise. So make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe before you leave this YouTube channel. It's a bit hot today here in JA. The sun is out, the SUN is out, and the SON is out. And who the sun set free is free indeed. You know, we rock it to the fullest. Anyway, let's get right into this. We have 5 things I'm going to show you that Jamaica people do not like to throw away. 5 things in the home that Jamaica people do not like to throw away. Some of these things are on your dresser. Some of these things are in your bathroom. 5 things that Jamaica people do not like to throw away, even when it is finished, when it's done, when a little tubes, a little piece leave, they still do not want to throw it away. Stay tuned. So guys, I want you to check out these 5 things before I get into the video. So check out these 5 things. Check out. I'm going to show you these 5 things, the 5 props that I'm using today. So check out these 5 things before I get right into this video. So item number 1, lotion. Certain brand lotion. Yes, we Jamaican people, you know this brand lotion, a certain brand lotion. You might say, oh, the logo is copper, but it is copper for a certain reason. But a certain brand lotion, even when the lotion finish, as I said, the sun is hot, it's very hot today, there is not much wind blowing today, so you see me sweating around the edge. I have to keep it clean. Anyway, back to it. Lotion. Even when it's finished, even when the lotion finish, Jamaican people have a tendency to even pull the buckle and then wipe off the straw, and then wipe off, and then lotion, and then rub and when that not enough, them knock out the buckle, and then knock, and when that not enough, they wring out the buckle, and when it when them sister them can't get it, them even go as far even as cut the buckle to get to the lotion in the bottle. 5 things Jamaica people don't throw away. Item number 1, a lotion buckle. You might ask yourself, then why them don't just throw away the lotion? Why them just throw it away? Why they don't just throw away? Sometimes Jamaica people, the buckle look good, make it stay up on the dresser. The buckle cute, but don't ready to throw it away yet. You know, I can't use back the buckle there. Yeah, because I can't throw something else in the buckle there. Yeah man, when nice little buckle, you know, we can put some other, maybe can get lotion and throw something else in the buckle. Nah, throw it away, man. The buckle cute. Jamaica people, yes guys. 5 things Jamaica people do not like to throw away. 1, lotion. A lotion buckle. Even when the lotion finish, then wring out the buckle as I show you. Pull it out, and then wring it out. Try knock it out, and try wipe it out. Then go as far as and take knife or scissors and cut the bottle. This is one of the items that Jamaica people do not like to throw away. Even a simple lotion buckle. I don't know why, but if you know any Jamaican friends or have any Jamaican brother or sister or cousin, ask them, and they will tell you that Jamaica people, we keep the lotion buckle, treat cute, treat look good. Or they say it can use again, man. We can show some other lotion tonight, and we can put something else tonight. Item number 1, props number 1, lotion. A certain type of lotion, as I say, there is no logo there for certain reason, but item number 1. Item number 2. A certain kind of deodorant. Jamaica people, do not, I repeat this, do not like to throw away the deodorant unless them use out every single dollar money, every single dollar out of it. Jamaica people like, oh, now throw it away. You have to use out every dollar, every last dollar, you know it there, and then dig it out and then dig it out and then wipe it on their arm and then dig it out and then rub it. When that not enough, sometimes they even go as far and take out the middle part here and then pluck out and then wipe it on their arm and then use it and then use it, and so them I use out every dollar work because it's expensive and a top brand and it's a good brand and it's rare and how when it finish, Jamaica people not sure. Sometimes if you're going, trust me, if you're going to any Jamaican house right now, going to any Jamaican room, in the bathroom and the dresser, wherever they keep deodorant, you will find a full deodorant and you still see even an empty one with little bit of life left in it, little bit of deodorant leave back in it, like even like this. Yes, you will sure to find one. So item number 2. This is item number 2. To go along with item number 2, because everybody do not, it's not everybody use deodorant in Jamaica. It's not everybody use deodorant, the name brand deodorant or deodorant overall. You have some people use roll-on. Item number 2, roll-on. Jamaica people do not like to throw away the empty roll-on buckle. For some reason I don't know why. Even when it's done, even when a little bit left back down in the buckle, they must say, no man, it smells nice man, little more must left back it and then flash and then flash and then flash and then rub and then flash and then flash and then rub. And they say, no man, if that not please them, then go as far as get something and cut the buckle. Because they say if it's nice or expensive or it's a brand with them love, or you understand? Or the buckle just look good, them still keep it at the dresser or they keep it in the bathroom. I said, yeah man, I'm gonna keep it same man, because I want to remember the brand arm, I want to remember the exact same one that I did get at that time, the one where they use a smell good one, the one that smell good, the certain one there, I want to remember the brand. So I'm gonna keep it on the dresser for a while. I come up with some kind of excuse or explanation for tell say, alright, I want to keep it on the dresser, I want to keep it in the bathroom because I want to remember the brand arm. I want to go back to town or go back to the store, I can carry it and say, oh, this one I want. Item number 2, things that Jamaica people do not like to throw away. Item number 3, a certain brand shampoo or a certain brand conditioner. Jamaica people do not like to throw away conditioner and shampoo. They don't throw it away just like that. If a little bit leave in the bottle, if even a little tiny tap leave down in there, so even if they can wash out the bottle to get to the small amount that leave in there, they might use every single dollar worth. For my people overseas, they will rinse out this bottle just to use every last dime worth out of it. Every last dime worth. Me not throw it away. Carry the shampoo and the conditioner back and come. Go in the bathroom and go up on the dresser and take it up and carry come. Rinse it out, throw little water in it and rinse it out. Oh, the good stuff. It smell good. A certain brand and a big brand, a top brand, so and it good for your ear and it leave a sheen in your ear and them tell you a good long story just to keep the bottle and to say, are the bottle cute, the bottle look good. And again, oh, the bottle remain on the dresser because when I'm going to this store to get back another one, I want to remember that specific brand, that same specific brand. Yes, so let it remain on the dresser. Item number 3. things that Jamaica people do not like to throw away, even when it's on the finish, on the last verge, the last bump, the last toops. Item number 3. Yes, that was item number 3. Hmm. Item number 4. Hmm. A certain brand toothpaste. Item number 4. A certain brand toothpaste. Yes, I know you get a glimpse a while ago, but a certain brand toothpaste. Item number 4. And you know the box. You know the box. You get a glimpse. You know the box. Item number 4. A certain brand toothpaste. Things Jamaica people do not throw away just like that. Even if it's at the last verge, the last bump, a little tube sleeve back. Jamaica, oh God, Jamaica people toothpaste. The toothpaste, the toothpaste, the toothpaste. Let me tell you something about Jamaica people and toothpaste. Let me reach down on the box. You see, the toothpaste, even when the toothpaste reach the last verge, Jamaica people will be like, oh, hey, go for the toothpaste and the dresser, you know, carry the toothpaste and the dresser, or go in the bathroom for the toothpaste. It not throw it just like that. Make sure you rub out the tube, you rub it out, and you squeeze it, and you ring it up, and you ring it up, and you squeeze it out by your brush, because it's very expensive, and it's a certain brand, and it's good for your teeth, and the fluoride tax it, and this and that, and it carry this and it carry that, and it carry all kind of manner. They tell you a long story. Wait, do for your teeth. It make your breath smell good. It make your teeth white. It have all manner of things in it. Good for your mouth, good for the breath, good for the teeth. Jamaica people do not throw away toothpaste just like that. They have to wring out the tube and get even the last little tubes we left back in night. Even the last little tubes. If that not suit them, look what Jamaica people will do. If that don't suit them, they take a scissors and they cut here. And when they take a scissors and cut here, this is how they do it. They ring the toothbrush inside the toothpaste, and they wipe and they stir. And not throw it away. You know my toothpaste left back in this. I think money just pick up, so me not dash your money. Money just pick up. They think it cheap. I think I trust it, and then wipe it out. And even this, guys, even this on the toothbrush, and they will use this and brush their teeth. And when they brush their teeth with this, trust me, it feel like the teeth are brushed with the right amount of toothpaste that we normally use and put on a brush, because they might use every dollar worth out of it. Them now waste nothing. Jamaica people, we don't waste things. We're not a wasteful people to waste things. So things like these you will find a Jamaican will use things like these. They will cut it, push the toothbrush in there, wipe it out, and get to business. Get the teeth clean, get the mouth clean, get the mouth fresh. Yes. Item number 5. Things Jamaica people do not just throw away like that. Item number 5. A piece of bath soap. Simple piece of bath soap. Jamaica people keep the bath soap until they use it down till it becomes as small as this. And they will put that bath soap and put 1 bath soap and 2 bath soap and 2 piece and 3 piece and wet it and stick it together and it becomes 1. And they will use that and say, hey, you can use that, wash your hands there, use in the bathroom, you come from using the bathroom, and you can use it. And do not pull that new bar of soap, because the old soap is not finished yet. Use it down until it's finished. Jamaica people do not waste money. They do not waste anything. So even a simple piece of bath soap like this, ask any Jamaican. If you know, I have a Jamaican friend anywhere in the world, anywhere, just ask and you will see if I am telling you a lie. So leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I make a new video, so you can join the notification squad and the notification family. So last week I told you that I am gonna start to give shout outs. And my first shout out this week goes to Chris and Francis. Yes, Chris and Francis, big up yourself. Enough love. That's my first shout out today goes to Chris and Francis. You can check out her YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave a link down in the comment section, in the description there. I'm gonna leave a link right there in the comment section. I'm gonna leave her the name of her YouTube channel, so you can swing by and subscribe, like and share and do the whole works. Do the whole works. You know, we're on our way up to the 100. We're on our way up to 100, and you know when we reach 100, you know it's gonna be a blast, a full blast. So thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing. Peace.